Have you ever looked at your garden and wished it was more alive? After a gentle rain, you might spot small mounds on the soil, earthworm castings. These aren't magic, but a sign your soil is transforming into a living ecosystem. Earthworms are nature's gardeners, drawn not just by scraps, but by a thriving community of microbes in healthy soil. When you feed these microbes, you invite earthworms from far and wide. Their tunnels aerate the soil, letting roots breathe and water penetrate deeply. Earthworm castings are like super compost, packed with nutrients plants love. Unlike synthetic fertilizers, these castings deliver minerals in a natural plant-ready form. So, when you see those telltale mounds, know your garden is being nourished from within. Earthworms signal that your soil is alive and ready to support strong, healthy plants. Attracting earthworms starts with feeding the soil's microbes. All you need is a simple tea, a few handfuls of finished compost, a tablespoon of unsulfured blackstrap molasses, and about 10 litres of water. Compost brings the microbes, molasses gives them energy to multiply. Use rainwater or dechlorinated tap water to avoid harming the microbes. Add compost and molasses to your watering can, then stir vigorously. This instantly creates a living solution, ready to pour. No waiting, just mix and use. This 3-ingredient brew is your secret weapon for unlocking your soil's hidden life. It's simple, natural, and incredibly effective. With this, you're setting the stage for earthworms to thrive. Pour your microbial tea over garden beds, around plants, or into containers. Instantly, microbes multiply, breaking down organic matter and releasing nutrients for your plants. This microbial explosion is a dinner bell for earthworms who burrow in to join the feast. As they tunnel, they aerate the soil and improve its structure. The result? Looser, richer soil and stronger plant roots. With more nutrients and better aeration, your plants grow healthier and more resilient. You'll see greener leaves, sturdier stems, and bigger harvests. Feeding the soil's smallest inhabitants creates a cascade of benefits. It's a simple act with powerful visible results. Your garden will thank you with lush, thriving growth. The best part? No digging or tilling needed. Traditional gardening often disrupts soil life, but feeding microbes lets nature do the work. This no-dig method is perfect for containers and raised beds, where soil can get compacted. The microbial drench keeps soil loose and nutrient-rich, even in pots. Just keep the soil covered with organic mulch, wood chips, straw or leaves. Mulch protects soil, retains moisture, and feeds microbes and earthworms as it breaks down. Apply the microbial tea every month or two during the growing season. With regular watering and mulch, your soil stays alive and healthy. You become a soil farmer, working with nature instead of against it. Gardening becomes easier, more enjoyable, and deeply connected to the earth. Feeding your soil microbes isn't a quick fix. It's the start of a self-sustaining ecosystem. Each application of microbial tea and mulch builds organic matter and soil depth. Earthworms and microbes work together, making soil darker, spongier, and more fertile. Healthy soil holds water better, reducing erosion and drought stress. A robust soil food web naturally suppresses pests and diseases, so you need fewer chemicals. Your garden becomes resilient, productive, and safe for people and wildlife. You stop fighting nature and start partnering with it. Earthworms are just the beginning. Your living soil is your garden's greatest asset. With each season, your garden grows easier to manage and more beautiful than ever.